Hi everyone. Come to comfortable seated position. Right leg front. Sit tall. Let's start with some breathing exercise. First, Dirgha Suddhi. Deep inhale through your nose. Fill your lungs. Fill your belly. Deep exhale through your nose. Like the 5 breaths. Breathe in. Fill your lungs. Fill your belly. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Fill, fill, fill. Exhale. Couple more like this. Now relax. Natural breath. Next, Kapalabhati. So forceful exhale through your nose with the sealed lips. So keep your right hand on your belly, just like this. Inhale. Only exhale through your forceful exhale through your nostril. Relax. Natural breath. One more time, Kapalabhati. So forceful exhale through your nose. Relax. Next, Nadi Suddhi. It purifies all the nerves in our body. Just our right hand, index finger and middle finger in our third eye, just in between our eyebrows. Then thumb on our right nostril, ring and pinky left nostril. So first close your right nostril, exhale through your left nostril, inhale through your left, then close your left nostril and exhale through your right nostril. Now inhale through your right, close your right and exhale through left. Like this, 5 cycles. Relax. Next, eye exercise. First, 3, look eyeballs, move your eyeballs vertically. So look up, down, up, down, up, down. Then close your eyes, relax. Now horizontal motion. So start with look right, left, right, left, right, left. Close your eyes, relax. Next, upper half circle. Start with the right corner. Look up, left, again look up, right, up, left, up, right, up, left, up, right. Close your eyes, relax. Next, bottom of circle. Start with the right corner. Right, down, left, down, right, down, left, down, right, down, left, down, right. Close your eyes, relax. Now, rub your palms. Then place your both hands on your face. Next, we'll do 12 steps Surya Namaskar. Come to all the way to standing. Both feet together, hands to your heart center. Step 1, lock your thumbs. Extend your both arms front. Open your palms. Then inhale, up, little back bend. Step 2, exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Step 3, send your left foot back, left knee down, untuck your toes. Your ankle, right ankle just below your right knee. Sink your body front, both arms up, back bend. Step 4, exhale, release, downward dog. Step 5, inhale, high plank, both knees down, bend your elbows, chest down, pelvis down. Step 6, step 7, cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Lift your chest, head, look up. Then exhale, back to downward dog. Bring your left foot front, right knee down, both arms up, look up, back bend. Exhale, release. Right feet beside your left foot. Then lock your thumbs. Step 10, back bend. Then hands to your heart center. Repeat this 12 steps, Surya Namaskar, faster. Inhale, both hands in your heart center. Extend your arms, lock your thumb, back bend. Step 3, forward fold, exhale. Step 4, left foot back, left knee down, both arms up. Release your arms, then send your right foot back, downward dog. High plank inhale, Release your both knees, bend your elbows, chest down, pelvis down. Step 6, step 7, cobra pose. Then step 8, downward dog. Step 9, left foot front, right knee down, both arms up, back bend. Step 10, right foot beside your left, lock your thumbs. Step 11, all the way standing, both arms up to the sky, back bend. Step 12, back to heart center. Next, lie on your belly. Your hands just below your shoulders. Tuck your elbows closer to your body. Rest your forehead on the mat. Inhale, lift your head, lift your chest, look up. Cobra pose. 3 breaths in this pose. Release. Like this, couple more times. Inhale, lift your head, chest up, look up. 3 breaths. Release. One more time. Inhale. Hold for 3 breaths. Now, release. Chin on your yoga mat. Rest your chin. And extend your both arms beside your body. Palms face the ceiling. Just slide your both hands below your thighs. Half locust, chin on the mat. Just inhale, lift your right leg up. Don't lift your hip, only leg. Try to keep straight. Hold for 5 breaths. Release. Now, inhale, lift your left leg up. Keep your chin on the mat. 5 breaths. Release. Now, release your both arms. Right cheek on the mat. Both legs apart in mat width. And relax, shake your legs. Now bring your feet together. Slide your paw. Hands below your thigh. Palm facing up. Chin on the mat. Inhale, lift your both leg up. Slowly release. Release your both arms. Now right side face on the mat. Your legs apart in mat width. And shake your legs. Relax. Next, bow pose, Dhanurasana, both feet together, chin on the mat, bend your both legs, hold your ankles. Now, inhale, lift your head, lift your chest, lift your legs. Slowly release. Stack your both hands in front of your face. Just relax your forehead on your hands. Legs apart. Shake your legs. Relax. Now roll back. Extend your both legs. Feet together. Relax your body. Now inhale, lift your right leg up in 45-degree angle. Toes facing front. Release. Now inhale, left leg up, 45-degree angle, toes front, hold for 10 breaths. Release. Now relax for 3 breaths. Inhale, lift both legs up. Point your toes front. Release. Now, fist pose. Your arms closer to your body. Hold your thigh, thumb facing up. Next, push your elbow down, lift your body in 45-degree angle like this. Next, roll your head back. Then place your crown of the head on the mat. Slowly release. Legs apart. Relax your body. Then softly come to comfortable seated. Right leg front. Extend your right leg out, left foot in. Turn your whole body towards your extended leg. Inhale, both arms up, look up. Exhale, hinge forward towards your right knee. If possible, rest your forehead on your knee. Slowly bring your body up. Next, extend your right leg in front of you. Then left foot, bend your left leg like this. One fist distance between your left foot and right leg like this. Bring your left hand inside of your left leg. Bring your body front. Then roll your arm clockwise direction, thumb facing down. Then send that arm back. Then right arm back. If possible, interlock your fingers. Inhale. Exhale, hinge forward. Softly bring your body up, release your bind. And now, left leg out, right foot in, sit tall, turn your whole body over to your left leg. Inhale, both arms up, look up, exhale, hinge forward. Then slowly release. Bring your left leg in front of you. Fold your right leg. One fist distance between your right foot and your left leg. Right arm in. Bring your body front. Then roll your arm anti-clockwise direction. Thumb facing down. Then send right arm back. Make a bind. Inhale. Sit tall. Exhale. Hinge forward. Then slowly release. Extend your right leg, both legs. Rest in front of you. Sit tall. Paschimottanasana. Then exhale, hinge forward. Release. Now bend your right leg and place your left foot outside of your left leg. Sorry, right foot outside of your left leg. Sit tall. Then left hand is outside of your right knee like this. right hand behind you. If possible, hold your left knee with your left hand like this. Sit tall. Sit tall. Inhale, exhale, twist over to your right. Then gently release. Now extend your right leg, bend your left leg, place your left foot outside of your right leg like this. Right arm, bring your right arm, then left hand behind you. If possible, hold your right knee. Sit tall. Inhale, exhale, twist over to your left. Then softly release. Come to all the way a standing pose. Roll your shoulders back, palm facing front. Little bit tuck your chin. Close your eyes. Your feet in hip distance. Tadasana, mountain pose. Deep inhale through your nose. Deep exhale through your nose. Hands to your hip. Lift your right leg up and place your right ankle on your just above your left knee. Make a figure 4. Sit in the chair pose, Utkatasana. Hands to your heart center. Slowly come up and warrior 3. Send your right leg back. Level up your hip. If possible, extend your both arms. Warrior 3. Release. Both hands down. Now, standing split. Bow your head towards your left knee. Then slowly bring your right foot just outer edge of your left foot. Your two pinkies touch each other. like this, crisscross. Exhale, relax. Inhale, half lift. Hold for 5 breaths. Then slowly come up, release, shake, 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 shake. Other side, hands to your hip, lift your left leg up, left ankle above your right knee, figure 4. Chair pose, hands to your heart center. Then slowly come up, warrior 3. Release your left leg, send it back, toes facing down. Now, both the aeroplane pose, both arms behind, beside your body. Square up your hip. Now, release your both hands down. Hinge forward, bow your head over to your right knee. Standing split. Now, bring your left foot outside of your right foot, pinkies touching each other, and relax. Inhale, half lift, hold for 5 breaths. Then come all the way to standing. Release your legs. Shake, 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 shake. Lie down on your back. Hug your both legs. Gently rock side to side. Happy baby. Release your both feet in hip distance, closer to your glutes. Now, bridge pose. Inhale, lift your body, lift your hip, chest, right shoulder in, left shoulder in, interlock your fingers. Release your hands. Release your back, release your hip. Hug your knees, rock side to side. One more time, bridge pose. Place your feet in hip distance, closer to your glutes. Bridge pose. Whoever wants to join with me for Chakrasana, full wheel pose. Place your hands just above your shoulders, fingers facing your shoulders, elbows. Inhale, lift your body, full wheel pose, Chakrasana. Softly release. Next, counter pose, flow pose, Halasana. Lift your both legs up and send it to back like this. Extend your both arms. Gently release. Hug your knees, rock side to side. Then final Savasana. Extend your both legs in mat width. Toes facing away from each other. Arms beside your body. Let your palms face the ceiling. Let your fingers naturally